Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Glorious Ventures. This is Gloria here. So 4 years ago I made a video showing how to ferment noni juice and the video went viral. Many of you watched it, tried it and shared powerful testimonies. Today I'm back with something even better. Over the years I have learned so much more about noni. Not just the juice but soap, oil, tea and even eating the leaves as vegetables. So in this video I want to share everything I have discovered and how you can use noni in different ways for your skin, your hair and overall wellness. So without any further ado, let's get to it. One of the biggest discoveries I have made is noni soap. Noni soap is traditionally known for its antibacterial properties and is gentle enough for babies and children's skin. It is good for people with sensitive skin, allergies or frequent breakouts. The natural antibacterial properties in noni help cleanse the skin gently. It also leaves the skin smooth and refreshed. So making noni soap became one of my favorite ways of using the fruit. I have made noni soap for people with skin problems and the feedback has been incredible. I also learned how to make noni oil. Noni oil is amazing for skin that reacts easily or gets itchy. It soothes irritated skin, helps with dryness and nourishes the scalp. When noni is used on hair, it can strengthen the strands and reduce breakage. This oil became a natural remedy that many people now love. Noni fruits are harvested when ripe but still firm. They are sliced, dried and ground into a powder that is used to prepare tea. The leaves can also be dried and made into a tea. Something I didn't know before is that noni leaves can be cooked and eaten as vegetables. They are nutritious, rich in fiber and vitamins. In many communities, noni has been used for cleansing the body, healing minor wounds, calming coughs and colds, and promoting energy and strength. For generations, noni fruits, leaves and juice have been used as natural remedy. Today, noni is valued for its ability to support the body from the inside and the outside. Noni has compounds that help calm inflammation in the body. Many people use noni juice or tea when they are dealing with swelling, joint discomfort or general body pains. It works gently and naturally, making it a good addition to a wellness routine. Noni is rich in vitamin C, antioxidants and natural chemicals that help strengthen the immune system. Drinking noni juice or including noni leaves in your meals can help your body fight infections and recover quicker. Noni supports a healthy digestive system. It can help reduce bloating, gas and stomach discomfort. Some people use noni juice as a mild detox to help the body remove waste and improve gut health. That is all I have for you today, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. For more content like this, subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching and stay healthy. Bye.